Fresh CAD-based renders of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra have surfaced online that show the phone from different angles. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is seen with a flat display and slim, uniform bezels. The corners of the display appear to be more rounded than last year's model. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is seen with a slightly refreshed quad-camera design, with 3 lenses housed in a pill-shaped module and a 4th position to the right of the center lens. Looks similar to the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy S25 Edge. Galaxy S26 Ultra weight 217 gram, and camera bump 4.5mm thick. The S26 Ultra's S Pen will adopt a curved design, unlike the sharp and boxy silhouette still reminiscent of the Galaxy Note phones. Here's your first look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 dummies. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to measure 163.4mm tall and 77.9mm wide. Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor with a new lens, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 50MP periscope sensor offering 5x optical zoom. The 3x telephoto sensor is also receiving attention, with Samsung reportedly testing a 12MP unit, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, with 16GB of RAM in all storage variants, which reportedly remain unchanged. The 6.9-inch display with COE technology is expected to be the same size as its predecessor, with only minimal changes to the display bezels. The S26 Ultra will reportedly use Samsung Display's M14 material set paired with COE technology. The S26 Ultra is said to employ a 5000 mAh. Samsung will finally adopt 65W wired charging. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S26 lineup in January 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.